Welcome to this guide on Internet of Things Security Fundamentals. In this video, we will explore the critical threats, attack vectors, and vulnerabilities that affect the connected devices we use every day. From smart homes to industrial systems, understanding these risks is the first step toward securing our digital world. First, let us define what we mean by the Internet of Things, or IoT. These are physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity, allowing them to exchange data over the internet. This includes everything from smart home gadgets like thermostats and light bulbs, to wearable technology like smartwatches, and even massive industrial machinery and connected vehicles. Why should we care about IoT security? The risks go far beyond just computer viruses. First, privacy violations are a major concern, as hacked cameras can spy on your personal life. Second, there are physical safety risks. A compromised medical device or car can endanger lives. Finally, insecure IoT devices often act as a gateway, allowing attackers to bypass firewalls and enter secure corporate or home networks. To understand how attacks happen, we must look at the attack surface. It is not just about the physical device. The attack surface spans three main layers: the device itself, including its firmware and storage, the network layer, covering Wi-Fi and communication protocols, and the cloud or app layer, which includes the servers and mobile applications that control the device. Security flaws can exist in any of these areas. The most common and devastating vulnerability is the use of weak or default passwords. Many devices ship with credentials like admin and password preconfigured. Because users often fail to change these, attackers can easily scan the internet and log in. This exact vulnerability allowed the Mirai botnet to take over hundreds of thousands of devices and launch massive cyberattacks. Another major issue is unsecured network services. Devices often leave network ports open that do not need to be, such as Telnet. Furthermore, many devices transmit sensitive data using unencrypted protocols like HTTP. This allows attackers on the same network to intercept, or sniff, the traffic and steal credentials or personal data in plain text. A unique challenge in IoT is the lack of updates. Unlike your phone or laptop, many cheap IoT devices do not have an automatic update mechanism. If a vulnerability is found, the vendor may never release a patch, or the device may be so old it is no longer supported, becoming what we call abandonware. This leaves users permanently exposed to known threats. Attackers also target the ecosystem around the device. Mobile apps used to control smart devices often store passwords insecurely or demand unnecessary permissions like location tracking. Similarly, the cloud APIs that devices communicate with may lack proper authentication, allowing attackers to send commands to your device remotely without ever touching it. We must also consider physical security. If an attacker can physically touch a device, like a smart doorbell or an outdoor camera, they can do significant damage. They might connect to exposed debug ports on the circuit board to gain administrative access, or physically remove the storage chip to read sensitive data directly from the memory. So how do we protect ourselves? Here are 4 essential strategies. 1. Always change default passwords immediately. 2. Update firmware regularly. 3. Use network segmentation. Put your IoT devices on a separate guest Wi-Fi network so they cannot access your main personal data. And 4. Disable any features like remote access that you do not actually use. To wrap up, while the Internet of Things brings incredible convenience, it introduces a wide range of new security risks. By understanding the attack surface, from weak passwords and unencrypted networks to physical tampering, we can take proactive steps to secure our devices. Stay vigilant, keep your systems updated, and stay secure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.